Okay, this video is going to be on the join tool. The join tool is located in your toolbar under the shaper tool. So if you click and hold, it's the last tool kind of in this tool subset. But before we can use the shaper tool, we actually need to select two segments on our artboard. And as you can see, I have drawn out some line segments here and so forth and so forth. This one I actually created with the pencil tool, and I need to select two of them. So I'm going to select this one, hold down my shift key and select this one. Then I can go to the join tool and I can swipe from this anchor point to this anchor point. So I'm going to click and I'm going to swipe through. It joins those together. I'll go ahead and select this segment and this one, going to my join tool again. Swipe through them, joins them together. I'll select this larger one now and the smaller one. Go to the join tool, swipe through here, and let's see if it will close this gap as well. I'm going to select that path, the join tool, click and swipe. So it joins those together. Let's go ahead and try these two paths. These ones I created with the arc tool, just FYI. Join tool, again located right here, join tool, click and swipe. Didn't like those ones. Let me try that again. Let me bring them let me move it up a little bit. Doesn't really like these particular ones. Okay, it did it that time. I'm going to select the path again, join tool, and maybe up here I didn't quite hit the anchor point when I did that. No, but it's having problems with this particular one. Let me see if I can resolve that by drawing out another path. I'll draw a little segment right here. Let's see if it has a better go at it. I'm going to select this path and this path with the join tool. I'll try to close up this gap. Okay, it works pretty good, but it did have a little bit of problem with that particular shape. Let me go and select these two paths, go to my join tool, click and hold my mouse and swipe through to these anchor points, and let's see if I can close this gap as well. Go to my select tool, select this path, and I'm going to go to my join tool, click and swipe through. Okay, pretty good. Okay, let's go ahead and draw a different kind of paths here on the artboard. This time I'm going to overlap some paths. I'm going to come out and draw a line segment and another line segment. And let's see what the join tool. If I want to join these two together, I'm going to select both and I'm going to go to my join tool and swipe through these lines, and it actually clips off the end. Let me go and try to do that again. I'm going to select both of those paths, go to the join tool and swipe through them. I'm going to go, I'm not quite sure it's going to have the same results here, but let's go ahead and see. And the join tool, and it did. Okay, well good. Now it's not the ideal tool and it should be used kind of in a limited manner, but it does join paths together that have a gap. Okay, this is going to focus on the path eraser tool. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to draw out a path with my pencil, and I'll just go ahead and do that fish again. So I'm going to draw out that fish, and I'm going to overlap it slightly. Now I definitely don't want that. Ideally I wanted these joined, and I see that I went too far here. So if I erase at least to about here, I can complete that path. And so what I'm going to do is use the path erase tool, and again this is for paths. I'm going to come into this drawing and click and pull along this path, and it erases that path. Now I can come back to my pencil tool, and if I see that little slash as I get close to the anchor point, I can go ahead and complete that path. Boom. Okay, definitely needs a little bit refining here. I'm going to go back to the smooth tool and smooth that out. So much better. Okay, again, this works on paths, so I'm going to come in and draw out a path, and I'm going to go to my path eraser tool and just erase the parts I no longer want. Okay, and then I can continue with my line. Let me try one other thing, and I'm going to show you a little bit of a problem using this one. If I come in and maybe I want to draw a snowman, so I'm going to do an ellipse. Oops, try that again. Another ellipse, bigger ellipse, and I'm going to line those circles up by using my alignment palette here. Okay, now these are complete shapes and that's what we want. However, if I come in and I erase this line, I no longer will have a complete path. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If I select these two objects and go to my path eraser tool and erase this line, okay. Now the problem is with that, I now have a path that isn't complete, okay, and that is definitely not ideal. Okay, so you should limit your use of this tool, and we do want to achieve complete paths. I do this one with the erase tool, okay. Maybe I'll zoom in a little bit, grab that tool again, path erase, erase that little bit off. Nope, didn't like that. Let me try that one more time. Oh, I got a little piece of it. Move it up a little bit and erase. Okay, again, it's just not the ideal tool for what we're trying to achieve. Let me go view, fit artboard in window, because what ends up happening is you've got open paths, and what we want to achieve is complete paths. If I use the line join tool, it's just going to make a straight line across here, but that is the path erase tool.